keywords, remove keywords, then I'll go to ads. Can I add one more item? Clean one. Yes. Then what are assets? What is this?
Headline.
Below headline, what is it?
Description.
Below that,
No assets.
what is that? Asset.
Asset. Okay.
Usually that is known as. Now here you are seeing different extensions. Why do we use extensions? What is the purpose of extension? To add more information inside your ad, so that it looks attractive and more user can click on that. So what extensions can be added whenever you create a campaign? When you are adding headlines and description, below that you have an option of site links, assets and all. After making the campaign live also you can add assets inside the campaign. Now when I am creating a campaign yesterday, I did not add any assets. Now in the same campaign I am going to add the assets. Now this is the campaign. Inside this campaign, assets. Did I create different ad group or different ads? So to same ad, to two different ad groups, can I add same assets? No. Well, because this is graphic designing, this is. So here I have to add assets related to graphic design. Here related to.
Digital marketing.
Okay. Now let's say I want to add assets in digital marketing ad group. Now asset will be understood. What is an asset? Asset will be in 3 levels. Asset can be added in account level. Asset can be added in campaign level. Asset can be added in ad group. If you add, let's say, site link asset is one of the asset. If you add your site link in the account, whenever you are creating an asset, if you add it in an account level, it will be reflected to every campaign, every ad group, every ad in the entire Google ad. Okay. If you add asset in the campaign level, it will be applicable for every ad group inside the campaign. If you add it in the ad group level, it will be applicable only for the ad group. Tell me which level पे should I add assets? Should I add in account level, campaign level or ad group?
Ad group.
Ad group level. Because for every course asset will be different. For every campaign asset will be different. Now let's see how to add assets and what are the types of assets. I'll click on campaign. How do I go inside the ad group? Campaign. Click on the campaign. Now, is it an ad? No. How do you go inside the ad group?
Click.
Click on. Done. I'm on which level? Keyword. How do I go to ads level? Click on the ads. Click on the ads. Now, how do I go to assets level? On left,
Edit.
I have an option called
Assets.
assets. Just like you're going to ads, first you have to go inside the campaign, then ad group, then click on the ad group, you'll go to which level? Keywords level. From left side, if you click on ads, you'll go to ads level. If you click on assets, you'll go to assets. Clear? Any doubts?
We can go directly to the assets.
If you go directly to the assets, all the campaigns will be there.
It will be an account.
Yeah. If you go directly, it will be an account. Or you can select if you want to add
If you
account.
click on campaign and then assets, it will be on campaign.
Campaign level. But you also have an option. Like if you want to add an account, campaign or ad.
Master requirements.
Yeah. So these are the different types of. See, some is already added because of my landing. I'll remove it. Done. Now these are the different types of assets we have. Business name, business logo, site link, headline, description, call out, snippet, call, lead form, location, price, app, and promotion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are few more assets. Sometimes you are seeing an image also here. This is also an extension, but it's not visible here because your ad account is completely new. Whenever your ad account gets little old, Google keeps giving you more assets. Now you cannot add image extension like this. But when your ad account gets old, then you can get an option. One more option you get here, image extension. Now let's see first what is a business name.
Sir, how old does it have to be?
Depends on your ad account. Sometimes let's say you created an ad account, very less ad spend is there. 500 you are spending every day. So it might take 3-4 months also, 5-6 months also. If your ad spend is more, Google will have more data, so Google might give you. So it depends on ad account to ad.
So it depends on the money.
Depends on the amount, depends on campaigns that you have.
So what happens if we add assets on account level?
It will show to all the campaigns. You have digital marketing, you have graphic designing, you have video editing. If you add let's say one asset in the account level, okay. Same if you have added that asset related to digital marketing, it will show in graphic designing also, it will show in video editing. But there are some common assets, just like you are adding mobile number. It can be added in the campaign level or account level because for everything it will be same. Okay. Now I click on business name. Now tell me where do you think business name is there in this particular ad? Here you are saying amenities. This is known as a which extension is this?
Business name.
Business. Here what is this?
Business logo.
Logo. Which extension is this?
Logo.
Extension or asset?
Asset.
Individually it's an extension. Collectively these are known as assets. See, CDP 37 batch. One student. Like this. This is like an entire batch. Assets. Individually business name extension, business logo extension, this signing extension and all. Yeah.
Once click on the Google website and account of Google tab. So now we'll only be saying this is an extension, this is an extension, this is
Yeah.
an extension. We won't say assets.
No.
Only in this Google ad page will be like all of these are assets.
Assets.
Oh.
Sorry? Okay. What is business name? Will be visible on above your ad. What is logo? Will be visible beside your business. Now, if I want to add a business name, I'll click on this. I'll click on business. See what it's showing. If your search ad performance by adding name and logos complete advertiser verification. Remember, when you're starting an account, I told you something. You have to complete advertiser verification. It means without verifying to Google that you are a genuine advertiser, you cannot use business name and you cannot use logo. But in this place, what Google will use? It will show like this. It means business name automatically your landing page URL will take and logo mein nothing will show. It means this advertiser is not verified. Okay. If you want to add business name and logo, what you have to do?
How much time it
Advertiser
will take to verify?
verification.
How much time it will take to verify?
Depends. The type of document if you submit 1 week it will take. Your campaigns will go live. We can do campaigns also now, but it will show like this. Business name will take your website, logo will not show anything.
So, sir, does that mean that this is a recent website or did they not verify it at all?
Maybe for this particular real estate project they created a new item. Or maybe they forgot to add this particular extension. Clear? Any doubts? Business name and business name. Now another option we have is site. The most popular asset that you guys will tell. Now where is the site link here? In this? No site. Here? Digital marketing online. where is the site link here?
It's not
No site.
Already itself it is like replacement, sir. I mean, citing.
Site link?
We search for something information and we get to the website. Already itself it is a site.
It's a headline. Headline is different. See,
website.
these are headlines. Apart from headlines that you see, that is an asset. Site link. I am able to see.
Hindi ప్రసాద్
There is no site link. Now sometimes you will see like this. Very rarely you will see this type of site link. And you will always see site link here, like which is a clickable link. Okay, I am able to see for different queries. See, now I am getting a site link. Now this is also a site link, which is clickable. Your headline is also clickable, your site link is also clickable. See what they are showing: 2B and 3 BHK, phase 2 handover soon, phase 1 ready, 5 minutes to financial district. In this is also a site link. So 99% of the time site link will be visible like this. Can you click on one? I'll click on this. I'll go to a page.
Sir,
Different page and main page.
That I'll show you when you are adding the site link. Now understood what is a site link? Sometimes you'll see like this. Sometimes you'll see like this. Okay.
Sir, most of the advertisers use site links.
Yeah. Now let's add a site link. I'll click on this. Then site link.
so sir, when PVC is deducted, it will be deducted from.
First let me add the site link, then I'll take it. Because whatever I'm going to say, you'll get the same output. Okay. Now see, it's asking me which level I should add a site link. Account, campaign or ad. I'll select ad. Now this is a preview of the site links. I'll write. Now what should be added in the site link? Let's say book of freedom. In site link also you are adding some extra highlights, your unique selling points. But here, when it comes to site link, you can give a different URL. It means if user click on the headline, they'll go to your landing page. Okay. Now let's say inside your website you have another page which shows only student reviews. Okay. And another page you have which only can help you to book a free demo. You'll copy this link. You take that page, you paste it. Now this is a preview, book a free demo. Whatever the link that you give here, user will go to this link. If user will click on headline, they'll go to the landing page. If user click on site link, they'll go to the page, the URL that I gave. Now one more URL is there. One more site link. Let's say here I want to give student reviews. I'll paste it. Then see what it's showing. Duplicate site link extensions won't appear in your app. It means I already used one website link. Same thing, because obviously book a free demo page should be different. Again, student review should be different. So how many site links I can add?
7.
You'll have around 20 options, 20 to 24 options you'll have. But how many we should add? At least 10 you should have. Yeah. Because from out of that 10, see, now Google is showing only one site. Here Google is showing 1, 2, 3, 4 sites. Sometimes Google might show 3 sites, sometimes 5, sometimes 6. So if you give more options to Google, Google can optimize more.
But that means it will also have so many pages and so many pages.
Yes. For that we need to have a lot of pages. But let's say you don't have enough resources. You are the only one who is working. You have, by spending a lot of time, you need a landing page. Can you design more pages for site links? No. But then what you do in the site links? Will you leave the site links? No. Because these are recommended. Then what you will do is, you will create site links only to attract the user. Here it's not accepting the same URL. What you will do? You will take your landing page only. With that landing page, you will create a UTM. New UTM you will create. While creating a new UTM, in the campaign name or anywhere you will mention what site link one. You will copy the UTM, you will paste it. Again for the second site link, again you use the same landing page. Again you create a new UTM. When you are creating a new UTM, campaign name, everything will be same. But beside campaign name, what you write site link 2. Then landing page is same because the link is different. Google is accepting different links. Got it? But if you don't have enough resources to give landing page, multiple landing pages, you create site link with the same landing page with a different link. So that you can have a track also how many people are clicking on which site link when they are filling the form. Got it? Clear everyone? Any doubts? Now, this is the site link text that you are seeing here. This is the final URL. It means when someone click on the link, where should they go? You have an option of description. Are you seeing any description here? So mostly Google will not show the description. But whenever it's showing the description, it will show like this. Digital marketing online, get certified, get digital marketing certificate, learn from industry.
When we have single link, then we will show it.
It up to Google. If you give all the descriptions here, but descriptions are recommended. See, because the more details you give, the more optimization Google can do. You have to give your description also here, site link, final. How many you can give? You have an option of around 20 to 30. I forgot the number.
Then every time we have to create UTM link for site.
Every time you said 20.
URL.
So every time, how many you should give? If you give 20, well and good. But minimum you have to give 10. At least 5 so you have to give. So that Google can optimize with this side.
So what is recommended? What is recommended?
See, there is no recommendation. Recommended is all 20.
Full 20.
Because Google, while writing a description, did you wrote sentence or you wrote a highlight? Sentence. What is this? Description. Do you think Upgrade wrote sentence or they added highlight in the description also?
Highlight.
Sentence.
But
Because description का limit is how much?
90
characters. We can write a proper sentence here. Now, digital marketing goes from Upgrade, online with customized learning tracks, Zodiac premium tools, 15 live sessions. Now see, learn how to enhance engagement by using digital marketing funnels, evaluate your customer-centric digital marketing strategy aligned with organization goals. Is it a sentence? After that, see what is there. Email marketing. Is it a sentence? No.
But they
This is
have
known as a column. It means the highlight points that can be added after the description
After this.
is known as a column. Now, what to add in a column? Is it clickable?
No.
It's not site.
What to add in a column? Highlight points. Like digital marketing, what we can add placement, reviews, tools, etc. In relation to what we can add amenities, EMI options.
How many you can add, sir?
Then again, I'll show you when adding. Got it? What is the column? Any doubts?
highlights after?
Highlights.
After the description.
After this. And if you want to detect is it a call out or not, first you have to understand it will not be a sentence, it will be a single word. Yeah. And it will be denoted by these dots. One dot, say another dot, that one dot. From one dot to again another dot, another dot.
We dot no box.
Dot.
So, once can you go up? here, see, from where is it called out? Because see, 15 likes.
Yeah, this what we can say is
All of this is
No, no,
called
no.
out.
upgrade marketing post from digital marketing post from upgrade. There is a dot here, but there is a possibility that they have added this dot in the headline in the description also.
Yes.
So we can say 300 plus hiring partners, one follower, 180 plus hours of content, one follower, mock interviews, another follower.
Above that 38 tools is there, no? Above mock interviews. I think from there they started hiring. And
Maybe
follow.
it can be a follow or it can be a headline, it can be a description where they have added dots also.
How many
Max columns will be there?
That I'll show you when adding a column. Here, what is the column? Okay. Now you click on this. I'll select column. Where should I add? Campaign or ad code? Or account? Ad code. Similarly, it will give you for around 20 columns.
Sir, Google will settle that follow
Yeah.
randomly.
Randomly or based on what
Can we
is
pay?
Optimization.
Based on user, Google will
Yeah.
adjust.
Can we pin in this column?
No. Only headlines again. Description again.
settings?
Setting also no problem. Okay. Now see, I'll write, for example, free demo. See the way it's showing the preview. Description 1, description 2, then after that, one more. Again I'll write something here, another. Again, another. How many I can add?
20.
20. How many I should add?
10.
Try to add 20. If you don't want to add 20, add minimum 10. Because Google is asking you more details. The more details you give to Google, the more optimization Google can do. Got it? Clear? Any doubts in column? No doubts? Okay. Is it mandatory? Without column, can I make my campaign like?
Yes, you can.
But it's recommended. Because
It
you
is
get description where you have
90.
description. If you want to add more information in the description, not. But if you use column, it will be visible after the description. Clear? Now one more option you have for structure snippet. Structure snippet is used whenever you want to differentiate your product. Okay, let's say you are doing it for digital marketing course. What are the different types of courses we have? 3 months, 6 months, 2 months, 6 months, and 1 year. PGP, CDP, and bootcamp. So I want to differentiate my courses in my ad. I want to give an option here. I'll click on structure snippet. Then now here you have an option called header tag. What you are differentiating? Are you differentiating your amenities? Are you differentiating brands? Are you differentiating courses? What should I select? Courses. See, here it will give you a column like this, courses. Courses, column, let's say I write 3 months, 6 months, 11 months. So after writing courses heading here, I gave 3 months, 6 months and 11 months. Again, how many I can add here? Around 20 will be there. 10 is 10 out. Clear? What should I add in the snippet? My different variations, different courses. Let's say I am doing it for digital marketing. What are the variations I can add? SEO services, Google Ads services, and website design services. Now, it will be visible after the description. Courses, whatever the header you select here will be visible here. 3 months, and this will be denoted by a comma. Column में dot will be there, snippet में
Comma.
comma.
Common types of
If
headers are available, sir.
How many types of?
Headers, course.
You have lot of things here. See. Amenities you want to differentiate, brands, degree program, destinations, lot of things.
If we add callouts and snippets.
Hmm.
So which one will come first? Snippets or callouts?
Again, Google will decide. And then discipline is default. So mostly it will give priority to callouts. Snippet very rare. Done. I'll click on. Save. Clear? Any doubts? Now again one more option I have called
Call.
call. What is this?
Action.
It's not giving me. But here it will give you an option. After setting call button.
Hmm.
If you want to add a call button, call extension, click on place,
Call.
call, enter mobile number, select India. Then click on. See, here it will show you the preview. This is what it will show. Sometimes like this it will show, sometimes with a round circle it will show. See. If user clicks on this, they directly go to the mobile. If they click on the desktop, they'll get a scanner or they'll get a mobile number. If they click on mobile, they directly can call. Clear? About call out, snippet and call.
Hmm.
Any doubts? Do it everyone. The landing page we have a form. But here the form that you see here is not in the landing page.
It's different.
And this is never recommended when it comes to social apps. Google is giving you every type of assets, but not as every asset is recommended. Business logo, business name, it's okay to add. Tagging, okay. Color, okay. Snippet, okay. Call, it's also. Lead form, you should not add. You can experiment. It's not like you should never use it. Now, lead form is nothing but. See. You can ask me to create a form here. Now, this cannot be in the ad group level. This can be either campaign level or account level. You will create a form like this. Headline. Some random things are there. Here you can add business name. Please fill out the form so that our team can reach out to you. Something like that.
Will reach out to you. Contact us.
Will reach out to you. Now, what is the information you want to collect from your user? Name, email you want to collect, and mobile number you want to collect. Work information, if anything else you want to connect, company name, email, you can. Additional information, are you over 18 years of age or 25 years of age, that you can select. Language, default. If you want to include any questions, let's say, what is the size of your company? What is your job role? You can include few questions. And here you have to give a privacy policy URL. It means every website will have a privacy policy URL. Okay. As of now, I'll give this URL. Image if you add, it will be visible with the form. Create form submission message. Means here you are creating a form where user can fill the details.
And it will show in your.
That I'll tell you. First, it will show a form like this. Once the user fill the form, what should be the submission message? Thank you will contact you soon. Thank you will contact you. I want to change it. Done. Call to action, let's say after filling the form, you want to send them to a website. Visit our website. You are giving a detail. Scroll down and click on accept the terms and conditions. But when the form will be visible? Whenever someone is seeing your ad, below they will have an option of form. If they click on this, they will not go to the landing page. They will get this form as a form. They will fill the form, then close the form. It means without visiting your landing page, user is filling the form. But again, for this click also Google will charge.
What is the use of it?
To generate leads directly from SCR. But this is not recommended. Because lot of junk leads you get. Clear? If they click on headline, they'll go to landing page. If they click on here, they'll go to form. Will they go redirect to any other website? No. No. They'll get a pop-up. They can fill the details, but how you will download the details? You have an option called import conversions, or one error is showing. Or then when someone is filling the form inside your website, where you are getting the details? I went to landing page, I filled the form. Where you got the details?
Fluent flow.
Fluent form. Is it a fluent form?
No.
This is a form I have created in my Google Ad account also. So whatever the people who fill the form, we have an option here called CSV. If you click on this, a new file will be downloaded like this. It means Google will give you the data of people who fill the form. But 99.99 companies will not do this. Because user will not get to know who you are, what you are, just random details will be. That's why we'll always generate leads with only random. Clear? What is the lead form? Any doubts?
No.
Okay.
Location.
Now if I go to locations, this is an important thing that you have to understand. Now, earlier you were seeing an ad, but I'm not seeing an ad now. Here you see sometimes a location option. Okay, that is one thing. And also, if you be digitalized, this is a website. What is this? Have you ever saw ads here?
Yeah.
When you're searching in your mobile, AC repair near me, something near me, you see a sponsored ad here. That is also a PPC ad. But what I told, PPC ad will be only visible on top, only on phone. But by using location extension, your ad also will be visible on this type of pages.
Oh.
Without sponsored ad.
Can we run a separate ads for the
Separate ad was there earlier, now it's not there. Earlier there was something called GMB ads. After that there was something called Smart Campaign. So recently Google is there. Now Google is mixing up. This you can do with Performance Max campaign also, because that is mix of all the campaigns. And you can do with Google search ad only with location extension. Earlier there was no location extension. There was a separate campaign only for this. Smart Campaign. But Google is. Okay? Clear? Now if I want to show my ad here, what I should use? Location extension. Tell me what is this? Oh, dictionary said video. What type of is this? Is it a website or is it a social media?
Let's say someone don't have the website. They wanted to run an ad on the Google My Business page.
They can do by using Performance Max.
How?
In Performance Max. Or in this, well, see, once you create this profile, in this profile you will have an option called advertise. If you click on that, Google directly will take you to Google Ads in Performance Max. Okay. You have this profile for your business.
Yeah.
I'll show you now. Okay. So what is this? GPP. You write GMP 100 times. This is known as Google My Business Profile. It means just like Google app is, one of the Google app is Google Sheets. One Google app is Google Drive. One Google app is Google itself, Google Chrome. Similarly, Google have another product called Google My Business. Okay? Where see, these are all the apps of Google. We know only Drive, Drive, Maps, 2, 3 things we know. Google App, Drive, Gmail, YouTube, Gemini, Maps, News, Calendar, Photos, Google Meet is there, Google Translate is there, Google Videos is there, Google Slides are there. Hundreds of apps of Google. One of the app is Google My Business Profile. By using that business profile, you'll list your business on Google like this. So that whenever someone searches for your business, it will be visible with your photos, with your mobile number, with your directions and all. Got it? What is Google My Business Profile? Where to create, how to create, that will see in SEO class because these are part of your SEO, organic. This is not fake. But by using this profile, I want to show my ads here, sponsored. For that, what you have to do is you have to create a Google My Business profile. You have to connect your Google My Business profile with your ad. If I click on plus, what it is asking me? Continue. Select a business profile. Google is asking me that which business profile you want to do. Okay. But I don't have any business profile. When you create a business profile, you can connect your business profile and you can save. Now your Google ad account will be connected to your profile. That is where when you can use only location Excel. Clear? Forget all the things. Remember only one thing, that in order to use location extension, you want a Google My Business profile, which should be connected to your mobile account, and it should be visible here in the local areas. That's it. Clear? Can we do it now?
Sir,
No problem. Why?
we don't have.
Do we have a profile?
No.
We don't have one. Okay.
सर मेरा GMB प्रोफाइल है सर.
So he can do it. He can connect his Google ad account to your Google My Business profile. Then you can do the